what the client's gonna be, but they're gonna make a new Parkinson's drug.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A new Parkinson's drug?
Yeah.
For Parkinson's disease?
Yeah.
My uncle has Parkinson's. What is the drug?
So it's supposed to fill a market that they don't have right now. So Parkinson's right now, they have the early onset treatment with like drug, medications, pills, stuff like that. And then the late stage treatment with like the deep brain stimulation. And right now, this customer is looking at something to treat patients in the middle because there's really nothing right now.
And what is that they're going to use?
It's going to be injectable, so.
Oh, nice.
So
and are you guys the only one that carries it, or?
Yeah, we'll be the only manufacturer of it for a while. Because I think with patents and stuff, it's like a year before a generic could be made.
Wow, that's exciting. And so where have you traveled?
Different places. I've been to New York.
No, recently though.
So I was in New York not
Cool.
too long ago. California.
Where in New York?
Upstate New York.
And did you have a good time?
It was mainly work-related stuff, so.
That's cool though.
Yeah.
And how does that work? They kind of put you up in a hotel and everything?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, sometimes depending on like how quickly it's needed, sometimes it's I'll pay up front and get reimbursed, or
Yeah, no big deal.
yeah.
That's very cool. Dude, I'm so used to your hair, it's a trip. Yeah, these are a new clipper made by Lamborghini,
Oh, nice.
and they're absolutely amazing. Shout out to JRL for these clippers. These are absolutely amazing, and we're using them. I think first one to be using them. And so everything's been good with you?
Yeah, everything's been good. It's been pretty solid. Just busy recently, which isn't a bad thing.
Oh, that's good. What a difference. Guys, I'm doing something a little cool for you guys to see. I'm just doing a different style of how I'm going to achieve this fade. Just kind of get in there at a different, totally custom level. Just kind of just straight cutting out a haircut for him just because I'm so used to his hair. He also has really good hair, so it's, you know, that's another thing. You guys will obviously notice that. Cool, man. I'm excited about that new drug that's coming out to help with Alzheimer's. That's going to be awesome.
Yeah, it'll be great.
More stuff that comes out, you know, it's like the better. Cure for cancer, that'd be great.
Yeah, hopefully one day.
Yeah, you have a very exciting job. And you're lucky that you get to travel. I wish I had a job that allowed me to travel.
It's ups and downs. Sometimes you just get tired of going.
Oh, yeah. Guys, these clippers work absolutely magically. Guys, I just got these yesterday and just started using them at the end of the day yesterday and today, so I've only done 4 haircuts with them. They're just like the normal JRLs, just a little bit better. They're more forgiving in a sense. They're a great clipper without a doubt. If you're looking for a clipper, go ahead and buy them. And you guys already know I work with the best scissors in the world, Mizutani. If you guys want a pair of these scissors, I sell them, so you guys could buy them from me. And how do you buy them from me? Go message me on Instagram, Thomas Baca Barber. And so you're having a hard part. Are you doing a lineup or with or without?
With the line.
All right, sick. Guys, I love when I get a new pair of clippers.
You said the new girl graduates in January?
Yeah, both of them do. The kid and Stephanie and
Oh, nice.
and the kid Sam. They graduate in January. They're both in the same barber class.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and it's getting, so my job is to get it real busy, and it's getting busier and busier and busier.
Just have been thinking about like expanding and stuff. It's a little harder now.
God, at first I think I'm gonna bring them on and then get them fully trained up, and let's get them fully busy, and then yeah, then we're gonna have to expand for sure. Look, I could have rented this corner building on the corner, but this one's nicer than that one, so I was just like, I think if we make a move, we'll go to Windrock.
Yeah.
Just right down the street, less than a minute away. Let's get them in here and see what we can do and see if we deserve to do that. Oh, this looks sick. Guys, see how I did the side like that? Watch, look at this. I could just come right over here. Guys, watch how this comes together. Watch, I'll show you guys something. Alright guys, watch this. This is how I lightly get rid of this, just to show you something real quick. These are just blending shears. And I take those and I just kick that right out. This all has a method to the haircut, guys. And look at that, guys. This is all in real time, no editing. Barber University, look at that. Hey guys, Barber University for all your barber needs. Barber University is also a real university. You get to learn from someone who's actually successful. Hey, and when did you book this appointment?
Early yesterday.
Or yeah, somehow we got booked up. So,
Early mornings were still available yesterday,
yeah.
so that's why I picked this one up. But
I like getting everything done in the morning, just 'cause
gives you the rest of the day to do stuff.
yeah. So it's even better, you know, you get your cut and then all these other guys have to wait to still get it. And so where are you traveling to next?
Oh no, I should be here for a bit.
Oh, nice.
It just depends.
Oh, look at that.
It's good.
And you like it?
Yeah.